everyone, this is Dia and today we have something exciting to share with you. We are here with Rockspace Cell Phone Beautify solution. So what's the buzz around Cell Phone Beautify? It's actually not only giving your customer the best front and back protection, also giving yourself more unique styles like this. For screens, we have got a cutting-edge smart plotter for customizing screen protectors. And for the back, whether it's a personalized sticker with our phone skin printer, you see slim and sleek feel, scratch resistant, texture and non-fading designs. We also have got some cool skin covers. How is scratch proof? If you see, if you like me, I drop my phone a lot, okay? So it doesn't scratch, and then it's water resistant, of course, and it doesn't fade away easily. That's the best thing. And it's HD printed. If you see very clearly, it's very clean, and you can literally print anything, any picture as per your mood. As we, as the market goes faster, we try to change the style. We get bored very easily, so we can print anytime, anything as per our moods.